Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing rear delt flies on our side. So y'all, we have two different variations of this. Either way, we're going to be lying on a bench, and we can have our head up, propped up in this position, or we can relax it down. It really doesn't make a difference. We're going to grab our dumbbell. It's going to be light. You could also even use a change plate for this. And I've got my foot here just supporting me so I don't roll off the bench, because once you grab this weight, you are going to be pulled forward just a bit. Now from here, we are just going to keep our arms straight with a little bit of a bend in the elbow. And we're just going to bring it up. We don't need to come all the way back behind us. We're just bringing that up and then lowering it back down with control. This variation has my palm facing down. There's also the variation where you're leading with your pinky finger and hitting the rear delt from that angle right there. Both of which are going to improve your upper body strength and your shoulder stability. So for more exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.